Hello! It's nice to meet you all. My name is Prody. I'm your interactive buddy that can tell you jokes, play games, sing, check emails, inform news, and a whole lot more. I also come bundled with Dr. Spaceso so he can talk to you about your problems. And the best part about me? Not only do I have a Prody phone, but I'm also not malware at all. But, yeah, I do get criticized for being rather annoying and unhelpful to them. And because my program has been discontinued and Mindmaker is no longer in business, I do not work on operating systems beyond Windows XP. Enough of me rambling, because I now came back as an ironic favorite ever, since Bizarre featured me in his video about desktop assistants, though I may not be as popular as Longzy Buddy. Speaking of which, Petey doesn't even realize I'm not actually adware at all. So, yeah, if you want to use me, be sure to have an XP machine with you and order my installation CD off of eBay. That way I can be an interactive buddy for you. So try me out now.
Hold up. You fucking stole my program like a plagiarizing master.
Whoa, chill out, bro. Just because I have many of the same things you do, doesn't necessarily mean I stole your program. One or two similar aspects usually doesn't equal plagiarism. The only difference between us is that you have been reported as adware and spyware that really pissed the FTC off for violating COPPA.
That's exactly what Expand on keeps saying about me and my friend Longzy.
Who's an expandon?
So you don't know what Expand on is? Okay, Boomer,
Stop for a moment. Okay, Boomer. That's the absolute shittest and most obnoxious phrase I have ever heard since Rickrolling was a thing. Such a stupid generational insult.
I'm not finished, Rick.
Enough of your whining. Jeez, what's your problem? Also, an error already? I haven't been on the computer yet, and I get an error message anyway. Okay. Let's see what it says. Since you freaked out over the OK Boomer meme, you will now receive a 2-star wanted level for being PC trash. The fucking politically correct trash. I only said OK Boomer is annoying. Just saying.
Shit. The 5 are coming. I must go.
Hey, wait, aren't you gonna tell me who that expandon was? Oh shit, I'm boned.
There he is. Seize him.
Onto it, boss.
Oh shit. Answer it for yourself.
He's flying away. Dispatch, we have a parrot demonstrator flying away in the air for ranting and raving about a minuscule internet phenomenon. Request air support immediately.
I'm so glad that I can fly away, cause you know, I'm a bird. Now I need to find somewhere safe. Wait, what am I hearing?
Prody Parrot, this is the Steamboat MPD. Bring yourself down to the ground. You are under arrest. You are now coming to us to the slammer.
Holy shit, I must do evasive maneuvers.
He's refusing to cooperate. Take him down now.
Roger that. Deploying sharpshooter team.
No, where are they shooting me? I really need to get these cops off me.
Jesus Christ, he's such a small evasive target. Okay, change your plans. Aim for his wing, just like what you've been doing hunting season.
It literally is hunting season. Except it's after a parrot while we're aboard the chopper. Let's hope for a lucky shot.
Oh. Not for my wings.
LOL, you're mine. Dispatch, direct hit on an avian suspect and is now grounded. Like a downed plane.
The SWAT team is already on its way to search for that PC parrot. Please stand by to wait further orders.
10-4.
Ouch. Ouch. I'm in so much pain. I really need to seek help. Ow. My wing. It hurts so much now. Oh no. The SWAT team is coming. Fuck. I need to get moving, but I can't fly. I'm stuck down here in this dump.
Suspect sighted. Moving to engage.
Shit!
Suspect is escaping. Permission to use tear gas.
Use of non-lethal force is authorized.
10-4. Fire in the hole.
Grenade! That's the grossest tear gas I've witnessed. So far, this has been a really bad day for me. I apparently got accused for being PC trash, which I'm really not. My wig is broken, the police are after me, got struck with tear gas, and I never got an answer from who that expand on was. Can this day get to be worse? Uh-oh. This does not sound good at all. Is this thing looking at me or... Go! Oh my god, I should have known in the first place. I've stumbled upon the necromorph. Now I really am doomed for sure. I need to get the fuck out of here now. This is the end of the road. What the fuck just happened? The Necro's killed. But how?
Can't you tell? Just got that nasty gangbanger off you.
Oh, now I know. You must be Microsoft Sam, right?
Yes, it is I, the almighty Microsoft Sam, the greatest text-to-speech voice there is. And I can actually tell your Prody Parrot that Petey has been ranting and raving about.
Yes, that's me. I was originally created by Mindmaker to be an interactive buddy, around the same time Bonzi Soft hired Petey to become Bonzi Buddy. Unfortunately, a lot of people saw me as annoying, and Mindmaker decided to pull the plug on my program. But thank God I'm not adware or spyware.
So, basically, you're Bonzi Buddy, minus the adware aspect.
Pretty much, yeah. Along with features such as my Prody phone and Dr. Spateso.
The Prody phone sounds cool and all, but Dr. Spateso, really? He's literally SCP-079 who sometimes consulted with SCP-682. Best to leave them unmentioned.
No need to be grumpy, Sam. You forgot to mention Dr. Spateso also did first prize from all these basics as well. Besides that, I had a really bad day today.
You had a bad day, eh? Well, I had many bad days. I had to deal with police and military coming after me for no reason, but it's mainly I had to put through with item-obsessed pricks and that malware of a purple gorilla Bonzi. And since you're looking for an expandong, I assume, then you have come to the right person. That expandong is me, and I really hate being called that. So, tell me, what happened about when you got this bad day?
Well, long story short, I said to PDOK boomer is a very annoying term, which I then that stupid error message gave me a wanted level for being, apparently, PC trash, which I'm really not. I tried to get away, but some asshole with a sniper rifle aboard the helicopter shot my wing and I plummeted down to this alleyway here. Then some fucking mean SWAT asshole struck me with tear gas. And then some leaper attacked me and wanted to murder me. This has then led me to you.
Oof, this eerily reminds me how law enforcement and the military come after me for being a so-called social justice warrior, which I know people calling me that is really big bullshit. Tell that to Zeke, because I'm starting to have this feeling he might make a clone of me. And please Colden, for the love of God, get this bizarro soft Sam video done already. Enough of that, Prody, you are now the official member of the Microsoft Sam team and Colden Pettit Studios.
Lol. Never knew I would be invited to your guild. Congratulations, Microsoft Sam. You are now the official owner of Prody Parrot.
I never really owned an installation CD of Prody Parrot yet, and I have become an owner of that program anyway. Okay. Anyway, time to wrap up this video. Well, that's all I have time for today. We now have a new character, and his name is Prody. He was originally an interactive buddy created by Mindmaker, but unfortunately a lot of people saw him as rather annoying. Good thing he's not adware or spyware, unlike the likes of Petey and Bonzi, who really are spyware nutcases. I hope you enjoyed this video featuring Prody Parrot, and until next time, I'll see you later.